Joining us now is Jake Lyons, who started the game tonight, pitched 5 scoreless, walked 1, the only walk of the entire game, and 5 strikeouts. So, Jake, thanks for calling in and joining us here on O's Extra postgame. Tell us a little about the feeling when the game was completed and you knew as a team you had a no-hitter there against Vermont.
Oh, it was awesome. I mean, after my outing, I obviously went in and did all my shoulder work, just to keep healthy. And went out to the bullpen just to be with the guys and see what's going on out there. And then once it kind of started to get close in like the 8th inning, I'm like, dang, this could actually happen. So we're in there just all hanging out, and then Kyle goes in to close it out, and we're just sitting back there just praying everything goes well. And then ended up happening. He ended up striking the side, actually, and then everyone just went wild in the pen, and then we celebrated and went and ate some pizza after.
Jake, Rick Dempsey here. One question. You had an opportunity to throw to Adlib Rushman. How did you guys feel working together through that in the course of that first 5 innings?
Oh, I mean, it was awesome to throw to. I mean, great pitch selection. He knew kind of what I wanted to do, and we talked to the pitching coach about what I've thrown to batters before, and then we kind of worked off that, like how to pitch backwards and everything. And framing ability, I mean, he's always going to be excellent back there, and it was just a pleasure having him behind the plate whenever I was out there.
Jake, did you come close to giving up a hit? Did anybody on the defensive side, save a hit for you during those 5 innings?
Oh, there's definitely some plays made behind me that could have potentially been a hit, but since we have great fielders behind us, they're always going to make plays for us. But yeah, there was a few times where I thought I was going to give up a hit. I mean, I think a couple times I was behind in the count, threw a pitch just to get for a strike, and they were hit pretty hard. But thankfully, we had position players out there in the spot, so I was just thankful that they're in the right place, right time.
Now, Jake, did you have a chance to talk with James Ryan and also Kyle Martin after the game was over and have a conversation about what the 3 of you accomplished?
Oh, yeah. I mean, at first we were all speechless just standing around. Obviously, we were just screaming everything, high-fiving, and then once everything settled down, we just talked about everything that we did and what we did right, what we kind of did wrong but got away with, and it was a great time to be out there.
Well, it's a memory I know will be indelible in your mind for the rest of your life, pitching part of a no-hitter for the Aberdeen Ironbirds. We appreciate Jake Lyons spending some time with us. Jake, thank you.
No problem. Glad to be here.